Good afternoon, myself Abbas Sayed, and I would like to explain about database failure and recovery for Costello Private Limited. Why recovery point objective and recovery time objective matters, which is RPO and RTO. RPO and RTO keep stock accurate and keep customer trust on the top. Whenever there is a retail time drives, revenue and inventories will be accurate. When it comes to the RPO, the maximum data we are willing to lose after an incident. And when it comes to RTO, the maximum time to restore the system after an incident. When it comes to the Costello, uh, during the hours, RPO 5 minutes and RTO 15 minutes. There would be a this time data would be recover, and these things would be achieved through replication, binary logs, and tested backups. Let me tell you the first type of data failure, which is a hardware or storage failure. Whenever there is a data failure, what happens? Typical, it would be a disk crash, controller fault, power supply. And what are the things that you need to notice whenever there is a hardware or storage failure? Database will not restart, or it won't read or write, and files will be corrupted, and the volumes would be missed, and the business will get impacted due to this, and you will not receive any payments, and stock will not be updated, and it's not we are not able to generate an invoice, and supplies will be delayed. The first action that we need to take whenever there is a failure is we need to switch to a replica. Otherwise, we need to open a recovery book. And after that, we need to notify the store managers regarding this thing that we have a data failure. Here we have some recovery options for hardware or storage data failure. High availability of primary and replica mode and automated failovers. And another thing is backups we need to maintain, which would be nightly fully backups, 15 minutes incremental backups, and binary logs enable. Another one we have here is point to time restore. Whenever there is a primary and replica are unusable, then we need to store this data. And another option we used to have is the runbook overview for the support team. These things promote a healthy replica and direct application to traffic. And we can repair the failed nodes to the head office and restore most of the full backup incremental, then apply the binary logs up to failure time, rebuild the replica, and return the normal application. Here we have another type of data failure, which is a logical or human error. In this, typically accidental delete or buggy points such as sales or bad CSV import. Things that you need to notice in this: invoices would be missed, stock would be mishandled, and customer details would be overwritten. And the first action that you need to take is you need to check the audit logs and clean copy of the data you should maintain and start recovery plan. Let me explain how we can recover data whenever there is a human error. The first thing we can do is time recovery at the moment before the mistake happens, and we need to follow a short audited runbook every time. And we can also do the pause replication on the delays of replica. Things that we can follow to protect the database failure, which are prevent, detect, and protect. Under this, we have so many options, but I would like to highlight one, which is make the failures rare and visible and recoverable. And another thing is restore verification and integrity checks, nightly test, restore, and regular table check. Last but not least, I would like to propose high availability architecture. Under that, primary data at the head office in Senkilda and read replica in the cloud, and optional delay replica 30 to 60 minutes behind the protection against mistakes. Thank you.